and everybody becomes serious, at least to start with. All right, good morning, everybody, and welcome to the 35th session of our Empowering Morning Conversations. So, all of you who have been regularly with us, my gratitude and thanks to you for being a part of the Positivity Warriors. And for all those people who came on time, a double thank you. Because if you take the trouble of being on time, means you're really committed. And they say that when you have commitment, then even providence supports you in what you want to do. So your being here, it tells me and it will tell you that you want something out of being here with us. So what is it that we want? What we want is that when we are swimming in the sea of negativity, when we are surrounded by negativity, we need to empower ourselves so that we don't get sucked into it. If you start feeling the negative feelings that the whole world is having right now, you'll not be able to function in your life. And you'll also get sick. So, do you want to become sick or you want to become a sick? Which one is better? Yeah, because a sick is a fearless person, you see. So, better to be a fearless person rather than falling sick and going to the hospital. Because when you are fearless, when you are powerful, when you are happy, then negativity cannot come close to you. These viruses as they call them, cannot survive in your body because your vibrational level is going to be so high. Okay, so thank you very much, people, for making this choice to be here. You made a choice, right? Nobody forced you, did they? Good. So let's get on with our session. But before we do that, I'm going to invite a couple of people to share with us your experience of your yesterday. Yeah, so let us review. How did you create your day yesterday? What were your experiences yesterday? How did you feel yesterday? So please share that with us. Waiting for you to share. Go ahead. See, when you share, you are acknowledging something which happened yesterday, right? So when you acknowledge something good that happens to you, then more of it will happen to you. So there is a lot of power in acknowledging. Acknowledging means, saying, all right, this is what happened to me. And then sharing whatever you felt, good, bad, whatever. So when you share, you are contributing. Yeah. So please go ahead. Yes,
Good
Susan.
morning.
Good morning, Susan.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Very well. How are you?
Very good, sir. Sir, so day before yesterday, a very close friend of ours passed away. So we had a very disturbed day and night as well. So, as you said, you should allow what you're feeling to feel. You feel what you're feeling. You allow
When you're
yourself.
feeling it. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever you're feeling, just allow yourself to feel it. So I did that, and then I blessed their family. Believe me, I got up with a positivity after that. Uh, it was really a great feeling that, even after wallowing in that sorrow, I was able to overcome it just because, I had these tools which I could use to get out of that.
So thank you very much, and my gratitude that you used them and you're able to share about it. What you actually did was you experienced it out.
Yeah, I
When you
experienced
experience
it.
something fully, you experiencing it out. Congratulations and thanks for sharing. Okay, I think Neeti would like to share now. Susan,
Good morning.
good
Uh,
morning.
Yesterday, after a long time, I had a very different and a very productive day in the sense I went back to a lot of my work that I was neglecting for a long time, like the taxes. And interestingly enough, sir, you would connect with this. out of the blue, somebody known to me reached out and said now she wants to learn tarot and numerology from me. Since I could not refuse to her, so I am having to get back into it. Once I get comfortable with it in a week's time, then I have to start teaching her that. So that's
Right. And it opens the possibility of you earning money also by this contribution that
I gathered the moment I got that call, I was hearing the loop, and I gathered this is what you're going to say.
Well, I didn't know that you were listening to the roof, but I know one thing, that possibilities show up. And then
Yeah.
whatever you want to do with it, you can. So congratulations and thank you very much for sharing it. Okay, great. Who's the next one now?
So some long pending work I could complete yesterday, and some no misunderstanding with some person I could clarify and look at from the other person's point of view why that person behaved the way that person behaved. So it cleared a lot of energy for me yesterday.
Congratulations. But I like the way you said it, I could complete something yesterday.
Yes.
Hello, how we speak as though something is allowing me to complete it. I
Yes.
could. No, I did.
I did. Okay.
Yeah.
I did
Could
complete.
means okay, I was not otherwise able to do it, but I did it.
Yeah, that shows no, I've been postponing that as if there is a constraint from outside. Yeah, but
actually there isn't, no?
Yeah, there isn't. It's my own choice.
Right. Congratulations and thank you so much for sharing it. I truly appreciate that. All right, who's next? Yes, Reddy Garu.
Sir, I called two people interacted for a long time and share with them the positivity, and they were happy to listen and accept with me. That's what I did yesterday, and I keep on doing. I'm calling almost 2-3 people every day.
And how does it make you feel when you do that?
Yeah.
How does it make you feel?
I feel very happy because I'm seeing the vibration from them that they are very keen in listening to me and they are accepting.
Thank you for making a difference to two people's life and to all of us by sharing what you just shared. Thank you so much, Reddy Garu. All right, Sandeep, your turn now.
Yes, sir. Yesterday was a turnaround day for me. I was procrastinating one thing for a very, very long time, almost for 8-9 months. And I'm very happy. I felt that is going to be very challenging, very tough for me, very difficult for me. But when I started yesterday and today also I completed my task, I feel that I have been over something, a big obstacle, which I felt it was going to be almost impossible for me, a very, very difficult task for me. But it is like, we say in Hindi, makhan jaisa. So very smoothly, I could really take over it. And that's a wonderful thing, because that one thing is going to give me a lot of positive energy to do a lot many other things. So that is a source of energy for me. And that's a wonderful thing that has happened to me.
Congratulations. Thank you very much for sharing it. I just remembered there was this cartoon character when my children were small, no? Manav and Gaurav. They used to watch that. It was called He-Man. And this He-Man would always say, I have the power. So Sandeep, now you have the power. Congratulations. Okay, who's next? Hello.
Hello,
I
sir.
can go. Okay. Suresh,
after Suresh.
After
Maybe you
Suresh.
do after, yeah. Go ahead, Suresh.
Daily I keep calling as many as people. Like yesterday I called one Mr. Vijay. He lives in Delhi. I think he worked for QPC. Shastri
Which
Garu.
Vijay is this? What's his full name?
Vijay. I mean, I call him Vijay. I don't remember his full name.
Okay, doesn't matter. Then?
Yeah, I just asked him how his life and all that. He said, okay, entire family gone through COVID and all that. I shared for a while, and after talking, giving him some positive words, he said he is happy that okay, we are in touch with each other, and like that I keep calling, daily.
Okay, good. We are only talking about yesterday. Very good. Thank you very much for sharing it. I appreciate. Thanks for doing what you're doing, because I know that you do this for a long time,
Yeah.
and that's why you've maintained your relationships with people for more than 30 years.
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
congratulations for being that person. It's
Thank
a
you.
great thing that you're doing, Suresh. Thanks for sharing that.
Thank you.
All right. Now, Nidhi.
So yesterday was a cyclone and a rainy day, but as I enjoy the weather, I enjoy it and called a few people to inquire like how are they and asking them to be a positive side with us. So thanks to a lot of people in the session first to say yes that we can tag them for Facebook post and all. So that's a big gratitude to everyone who's present in the session. And evening was full of bhajiye and pyaz ke and aloo ke. So had a good evening with my
Wow.
neighbors.
Wow. Congratulations. And a very warm welcome and congratulations for people who are only 12 minutes late. Right? See, that's why we make good use of our time, gives us time for us to share. All right. Who's next? We still have a lot of people to share with us. Hasina ji, aap to bade shant ho. You are not saying anything to us. We are missing your words. No, you have to unmute your microphone before you speak. Yes.
I haven't achieved anything, so I can't say anything.
No, you don't have to achieve anything. What happened yesterday? That's all you have to say. How was your day?
I don't know. My day was good. My day was very good.
But say it in a way that it's good. No, you say my day was good. Was it very good or just a little bit good?
It was just good.
Okay, very good. Today you make it better. Okay.
Okay,
Remember, every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of myself.
Okay.
So every day life is going to be better and better.
Yeah,
Thank
but
you very
one
much
thing
for sharing.
one minute. One thing I did that every time I remember to deep breathe. Deep breathing I did a lot.
Very good. Congratulations. Thank you very much for sharing that. Thank you. And thank you for being so regular. It shows your commitment to being positive. I truly appreciate that. Yes, Vetribel, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Before that, can you all hear me?
Yes, we can hear you loud and clear.
Thank you very much, sir. Actually, yesterday, two situations in the office. It my earlier version. It's supposed to make me to react or something like that, but now it has become like teaching is becoming experience. Like this is the creation I created. I enjoyed it.
Hello. Don't tell conceptual things. What happened? We are curious to know what happened.
What happened is one experience we are supposed to tell some payment story to a guy whom we are supposed to pay. My director told me I was not happy with that, but earlier I used to react from my side. Now I said whatever he said I told him, and I convinced him, the problem solved.
Okay, now you guys just take over the conversation for a while. That COVID test fellow.
And one more experience is
Yeah, you keep sharing.
Okay.
And one more experience is same with the earlier headset problem. In the meeting happened and people started to jump on me using this opportunity. Otherwise, all MD, everybody was there. Otherwise, I should have got emotional, something like it should have hurted me, but I handled it in a very cool. I finished the meeting. After that, also, I was checking myself, nothing disturbing on my side. So the seriousness has come down because this is all reality we are creating. Thank you very much for that. Now over to Pagupali.
Thank you, Vetri. So who else would like to share what happened yesterday? What happened during the day yesterday? How was your experience?
I think Kuldeepak sir has not spoken till now. So we're waiting for his valuable
Yes, sir.
contribution.
Kuldeep ji, please go on.
Yesterday, I
So
called.
Deepak has not spoken because he's getting his goddamn COVID test done. So you guys carry on. I'll just join you in a minute.
No, that is, yeah. Yes, sir, no problem. Yes, Kuldeep ji.
Yesterday, I wanted to call a lady who's a relative of my friend. Her husband was a very senior custom officer, was a custom collector of Pune long back. And we have a very good relation. They live just next to road, our colony. And she lost her husband few days back.
Oh.
So I wanted to call her, but I was not very sure what should I tell her, what should I speak. That was the dilemma. Anyway, I called. This is the second call I did. First initially when it happened, now about yesterday, but I was not sure what should I talk, what exactly I should talk. To my surprise moment, she received the call. She started all the story, how it happened, what had happened, what not, why not, and all that. And then I realized it was a time not to think what to call, what to speak, but what to listen and listen properly. And after listening properly, this conversation went on about, I think, 8-10 minutes. And I was just listening, but listening actively. And then I realized and learned that many times it is only to listen only. And sometimes I also myself many times have erred on to this part. That person only wants that he should be listened to, that's all. Secondly, the second point is that I practice that small exercise where he mentioned that you have to touch very gently and lovingly your all body parts and see how good you feel. That I did twice, thrice, and felt quite energetic and quite, well, good feeling. They are two experiences of yesterday. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Great sharing. So, yeah, we hesitate, particularly when people are in grief and, when they are in difficult situation, we wonder what to do. But actually, being there with them, calling them or in person makes a lot of difference for them. Just the presence and listening, as you said, just presence alone will help them heal
Quite right.
them. So great thing you have done, sir, and let's all do that for everyone, not only for others, like you did for yourself. Listening, being present and listening to your own self and your own body is very, very important. That heals
Right.
yourself. And that is true for others as well. Thank you very much. Great sharing. Who's next? Yes, sir. Kunain, sir. What happened yesterday in your life?
Very good morning, one and all. I had some internet issue in this morning, so I joined late. Yesterday, what happened with me is that, by afternoon, after my work, I was just going through what are the things are there which I was stuck or something is stopping me. So what I did, I just wrote the things on the paper. As Sukhdeepak sir always tell that, remove the things from your mind and put it on paper. So there are certain tasks I was supposed to complete because of Ramadan and other stuffs I had not done. So I just noted down on the paper. So I got a list of actions to be taken. So whatsoever time I had in the evening, I just picked the important things and I just took the action to complete it. So it was quite interesting to know that there was something pending. It was there in the mind, but as Sir has always told that put on the paper. So when you bring out from mind to paper, it becomes more clear. That gives clarity, and then take action. So that's what I did. I removed from the mind, put on the paper, and then prioritized and took action to get it done. So it was quite interesting, and good learning that something is, if you have to done, put it on paper and take action. Thank you so much.
Great.
Back to you.
Great. Thank you. Thank you, Kunal sir. And it is not only, it gives clarity, it releases a lot of energy from your mind and your system to do the things, because otherwise it keeps on working on that, remembering what do I need to do, what do I need to do. But if you write it down, it clears so much of energy in the system. Thank you.
Yep.
So who's next? Kasha? Rafiq, welcome. Welcome to the Empowering Morning Conversations. Kasha, Archana, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am, go on.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yesterday, because of internet issue, I could not join. I was sitting till 8 o'clock and I could not join the class. So I was a little disappointed. But anyway,
But the
in the
recording
evening,
recording
I heard
is
that,
there. The recording is there in the WhatsApp group. You can watch.
Acha, I'll do that. But I heard, listened to that song which was there, and I enjoyed that. That
Okay.
song which was posted,
Okay.
and also one pending work which was there for a long time. I completed that work, and that made me very happy. That was
Yeah,
the thing.
please. Yeah. So what else happened during the day?
During the day, I took small work at a time, and I went on completing it. So that was a feeling of fulfillment it gave. For a long time, as I was thinking to make besan ka laddu, and I made that. That made me very happy. And so that in the holidays everyone can have it, because of course people here working. My husband is also working, my daughter is also working, but I am a teacher, so for me holidays are going on. So in that I enjoyed that, and also I did some gardening.
Great.
I'm very fond of doing gardening, so plantation, I just did some gardening. That is what I did. So that made me very happy.
Great. Great. Yeah, doing something for others always gives happiness.
Yes, very true.
Thank you. Shakti? Yeah, you may be on the way. It's okay. If you can't talk, it's okay, Shakti. Abhinav? Manasi? Yes, Abhinav. You are muted. Unmute. Unmute, Abhinav. Yeah, now it's okay.
It was a really good day yesterday, and what I have did that I was not doing for the last week or sometimes that I should definitely do was the visiting my factory premises, keeping the track of all the things happening over there, and back from my factory premises, and was engaged in the day-to-day activities, lunch, and so then yesterday it was like taking rest, because day before yesterday I got vaccinated, so it was like feverish and the body ache. So I take rest for 3 hours yesterday, and then I go to terrace with my daughters and enjoyed with them playing, watering the plants and all. And that's what. And one more thing that was pending for the long time was related to the accounting works of my factory, like posting the entries in the ledgers and then sending the statements to the parties. So that I did today.
Great, wonderful. Thank you very much. My gratitude to you, Abhinav, for sharing your experience of yesterday. So good. Who's next? It'd be nice if everybody talks. Have we left out anybody? What about you?
Kasha, Manasi, Rafiq.
Mr. Gopal Astana is here from Pune. And we'd love to hear from him also. Never mind. Anybody else? Conan? Der hai, durust hai?
Yeah, Conan shared.
Conan is there or he's on some other
Yeah,
meeting
he is there.
Yes, sir. Very good morning. Actually, there was some issue with my internet, sir. I fixed it. I'm still fixing it. So yesterday was quite a good experience in terms of certain activities were pending. So I just removed from my mind and put it on the paper. That gives more clarity, and then I took action. So that's what I shared with the team, sir.
Great. Thank you so much. And what about you, Kasa? And what about you, Rafiq, Mansi, Shakti? We'd love to hear from each and every one of you. Don't worry, I've got a lot of things to do with you also, but I'll do it only after you finish your sharing. So I'm going to mute myself for a while. Now they're going to shove something in my nose.
Come on, Kasha, where are you? Rafiq, are you traveling, Rafiq? Manasi?
Hi, what are we
Hi.
sharing?
Yes, Manasi.
What do we have to share?
That what happened yesterday.
Huh? What happened?
Share your experience yesterday. Yesterday's
On
experience.
on a lighter note, net banking password.
Huh?
What we have to share, you have to just a lighter note. You have to share your net banking password.
Okay. Well, yesterday was amazing. We had a beautiful cyclone in Mumbai, and everything was falling, and the whole clothes rack, it's as tall as me, just like maybe a palm shorter than me. It fell on my head while I was doing my pranayam. Yeah, I was sitting on the floor, and it is kind of steel one. It's pretty heavy. So, but that happened, and I screamed. And then the next moment, my mom came and she was like, "Oh, what happened?" And then the next moment, I was just so calm. Despite all this huge thing happened, there was a calamity. I'm just so calm. I was just doing but then my mom, she again came, and because she's not in the same thing as I am, no? So she got little this thing that, hey, what is this? Hey, how can you be calm? Isse shant reh sakti hai, sab itna ho raha hai. So what I realized is when a person is calm, a person will remain calm, come what may, the situation. And a person, any person, not taking anyone's name, any person who is got a little who's got little anger or anything, frustration or anything, will become more frustrated, angry, whatever, because of that calamity. See? Then she came, and then we closed the door. Then again, the pots were outside, so we had to get the pots inside. It was raining. Then the tile under which the pot was there, because the pot was heavy, the tile was there. But when the pot got out, the tile became very loose and it fled. Like it broke. So lots of things happened, and my head was feeling constantly heavy. But
Can we see you? After the hit, how are you?
No, I'm fine. Yeah, my friends were very nice. They prayed for me, and in the night I was pretty good. I was good after that. Now also I'm fine. I'm feeling fine. There was a certain place where it pains, so I was putting ice the ice also had to put little pressure, so that because I was not feeling the cold, I wasn't feeling the coolness of the ice, you know, it was so numb. So I had to press the ice pack, and then it was like it was hurting. Head was heavy, and like I was lying down. So yesterday was that.
So inside the mind, everything would have got cleared.
Yeah. I was in full surrenderfulness actually.
Great, great.
Actually,
Thank you.
Ramaji, I will just contribute with Manasi. Like, I've been in Bombay from last 10 years. Believe me, after every incident, accident, cyclone, COVID, people are full of energy and they're full of spirit to go back to work.
Yeah, that happens. The train, you know, something happens to the train. The next
Yeah.
day, the same train, you will see so many people. It's not like, oh, nahi, wo train mein na kal hua, to main aaj nahi train lunga. Nahi, nothing. Same train, same. Next day, people are running for the train. I want to catch that train. Arey, kal hua na ye. New, I want to catch that train. Just
They're
imagine.
full of energy and
So Mumbai
their
people are
fear
not
is
influenced by situation. They create themselves.
People go out without masks also. When
Yeah.
the parks open, everybody was happy in the park. I'm like, what? To COVID hai ya kya hai? Kuch nahi. People are enjoying their holiday mood. No, it's holiday.
a lot of trees has fallen. A lot of trees have fallen. Lot of cars have got damaged. Yesterday, one car just near my campus had got burst. There was a spark in the car. But I think everybody takes the responsibility. Even if there's a traffic jam in between, the people come on the road to clear the traffic. They don't wait for sometimes for the traffic policeman to come. Because everybody wants to go to office. So somebody takes the initiative, stand in between, they clear the traffic. I think it's amazing with Mumbai for that thing.
Sometimes we also see, then we realize, oh, this person is doing a good job, but he's not a police. So, you know, he's not a police, he's just a layman and he's doing it. You know, we realize, first we think, oh, he's a police and he's doing a good job. Later we feel, no, he's not a police, he's a layman. That's why he's doing a good job.
That was a nice one.
Just tonight in the moment, nothing against anybody who's a police inspector in our group or anywhere it's live, and if any police inspector is just out of clear humor and nothing against anyone.
Don't worry, people will take it lightly.
Manasi, be careful. There may be
I love all police.
there may be some notice also.
Yeah. Well, I have equal respect for everyone.
Just Rama sir, I just want to add to it. Manasi, you just see yourself if you share how beautifully, how energetically you are sharing it.
Yeah.
Keep sharing.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Great, it's a great sharing. Finally, okay. Good. So you're feeling okay.
Yeah, I'm feeling good.
Right.
But this is from behind it came. It's huge.
Okay.
That it's from behind it came. So I'm fine.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think a lot of things from your head is clear now.
Mansi, nice to see you. We can connect your name with your face.
Yeah.
Thank
Great,
you.
great. Excellent sharing, Manasi. Thank you. Yes, who is next? Kasha, Rafiq?
Yes, sir. Yesterday was had a I had some stomach pain and I wasn't well. I was traveling, all that. But in spite of all that, I pushed. I had a good day.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you, Kasa, for sharing it. I'm sorry I missed most of it, but I'll see it in the recording. So guys, here I am back once again, and a very good morning to you. My apologies for having to leave you for a few minutes, and my apologies that I have to wear a mask because we just had a health worker coming into my house. So I'm waiting for all the viruses to fly away before I remove my mask. So let me remind you, we are here for what? What's the purpose of being here? So that we can all have a life of ease, joy, and glory, right? And I'm so happy to hear from each and every one of you. I'm grateful that you are willing to share with us. So the first question which I want to ask you is, or rather I want to tell you is, that I choose happiness today. See, I can be in my default mode or I can choose. So if I've given a choice to choose, what am I going to choose today? I'm going to choose happiness. So all of you who agree with me and they want to do that, you say it loud and clear. I choose happiness.
I choose happiness.
Happiness.
All right, congratulations.
I choose happiness, yes.
Great, great. Please mute yourself now. Okay, so now the question to ask yourself, and it's a deep question, so think, and you don't have to tell me, you start thinking, what is driving me? See, everybody has got something or the other that drives him, right? And if you check into it, you'll find it's usually something from the outside. All right? Or it could be a belief, or it could be a fear, something. What is driving me? It's a good question to look at. And the next thing I want to ask you is, my dear friends, how many of you have dedicated the majority of your life trying to overcome the obstacles that everybody puts in front of you? When I say everybody, I also mean that what situations in front of you. I don't think anybody can say that I have not done like this. All of us have dedicated the majority of our life trying to overcome the obstacles that everybody has put in front of us. So look into your life and see, isn't it true that this is how we are experiencing our life? Right? No. So who's controlling us? So now either you're going to be succumbing, you're going to get bogged down by these obstacles that people are putting in front of us, or we are going to look at every obstacle and say, wow, this is an opportunity for me to become a better version of myself. You can look at an obstacle, रुकावट आती है, आप बोल सकते हो अरे बाबा रुकावट आ गया. Or you can look at a रुकावट and say, another opportunity for me to become a better version of myself. Which one do you think will be better for you? The first one will stop you. The one usually happens, we start resisting. Arey, why is it happening? Why are they not agreeing with me? They are always discouraging me. They are not going to let me. This is very difficult now. I don't know how I'll do. That's one way of approaching your problem, an obstacle. And the other way is, wow, this is another opportunity for me to become a better, version of myself. This is another opportunity for me to find out new ways and new possibilities of living my life. So whenever there is an obstacle, my dear friends, what is the question that you could ask? The first one is, how is this going to make me become a better version of myself? So whatever problem is coming in your way, which other people are putting in your way or situations are putting in your way, the first question to ask is, how is this situation going to make me a better version of myself? That's the first question to ask. And the second question to ask is, what other choice do I have here? In whatever that situation might be, you might have been making some choices about how to deal with it. So the question you can again ask is, what other choice do I have here? So you guys can look at whatever situation or whatever obstacle you're facing in your life right now and ask yourself this question, what other choice do I have here? Next question is, what else could I be here that would make me make this change? Because obviously you'll have to make a change, right? The way you're dealing with that situation, the way you're reacting to it, the way you're going about it, something has to change, right? So what else could I be? We're talking about how I am being, right? So what else could I be here that would make this change? The way I'm being is in my old reality. So what else could I be? So guys, remember one thing, in order to change anything, you have to be willing to be something which you are not. If you want to change something in your life, if you want to deal with that problem or the way you're reacting or responding to the problem, then you have to be willing to be something which you are not. So it'll be a good thing to ask yourself, what is it that I'm not willing to be? Who is it that I'm not willing to be? You'll find there are many things that you're not willing to be. And if you could be that, then these problems would go away. So what is it that I have to be willing to be, which I'm not, so that this can change? So what do I have to be and what do I have to do differently to create a different reality? This is another question you can ask yourself. So I'm leaving the floor open for you guys to talk now, because each one of us is dealing with something or the other. And in that situation, you can ask yourself this question, what other choice do I have here? What else could I be here that would make this change? And in order to change anything, you have to be willing to be something which you are not. Are you willing to be that? So what do I have to be, or what do I have to do differently to create a different reality?
So in a challenging situation, we have a fear and we have an answer also, but defaultly we choose over the fear, or we get driven by the fear. So in a situation, by not choosing the fear and taking a better possibility helps us to be a better person.
Well, that's nice. If you ask these 1, 2, 3, 4 questions, what will show up? One, you can choose the fear, right? See, one way to deal with it is, oh my God, this is fearful. It might become worse. So you are waiting for the fear to go away. Yeah? So you're saying, my God, this is unnatural and this fear is not going to let me perform. Or you could say, all right, fear, you are my companion for now. Welcome, you can join me and together we'll find a solution to this problem. Now then, if you deal with your fear in that manner, then fear is not your enemy. Fear is not your adversary. You're saying, all right, come along, let's go together. Fear, wonderful. Let's find a way. And then you can ask yourself, no, what other choice do I have here? So let us say fear is coming and stopping you. One choice is that you let the fear stop you. What is the other choice?
The other possibilities apart from fear.
Well, you can say, all right, fear, you be there. And what else can I do? Hey, what happens when the fear comes? We are busy trying to get rid of the damn fear.
Yeah.
So suppose you say, all right, my dear fear, you want to come, you come. You're a visitor, unwelcome one, but you're welcome here. Now what else can I do? What else could I be here that would make this situation change? So the problem is not the fear, no? The problem is the situation.
Yes,
if
sir.
you take the situation that you are dealing with right now, you know and I know you don't have to talk about it. Correct?
Yes,
so
sir.
what other choice do I have here? Next, in order to change anything, you have to be willing to be something which you are not. So Kasa, you are something right now. Are you willing to be something which you are not? Because you will have to be someone whom you are not. Then only you can change the situation.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
So you can't have a change by saying, I am going to be like this only the way I have been for the last 35 years. But things should change. Will it change? So what do I have to be or do differently that will create a different reality? So my submission is be with these questions and see what shows up. Okay? Because the way you have been is that you will give something to someone to do, you may or may not follow up until it is complete. Is that way of being going to help you?
No, sir.
Exactly. So what do I have to be or do differently to create a different reality? So thank you very much for asking this question. And you be in these questions and you're going to create a different reality. And you know, Kasa, all you have to do is call me up if you get stuck somewhere.
Sure, sure.
Okay. Who else? Any question? Anything you'd like to say? Anything that is, you're realizing in this conversation?
But actually, sir, after empowering
Morning conversations.
There is change. Certain things where I would be little fearful. Now, okay, the fear is there. At the same time, I am facing that with that a little more openness. So that there is a change in the activity.
All right, very nice. Thank you very much for your. You know what? When you start acknowledging the change, it becomes easier to make more changes in your life.
Yes, sir.
Great. So by sharing it, you are acknowledging it, no?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Okay, who else? Let's give an opportunity. See, whatever we have said so far in this conversation with each other just now, what have you realized? Or what are the doubts you might be having? So anything you want to share, please go ahead.
So one thing I want to share,
Yes.
that we should also understand that whatever the event, whatever the situation, which is causing fear, despite its nature, it has to be outside, it is not inside. And what is happening inside, or my association of my inner world to that, is my choice. And my choice depends upon how much power I have got that time. If I feel powerful, if I give the decision to go inside, then it is all right. If I don't give the decision, it's not getting the decision.
4 questions which I had put over there, that is what it makes possible, isn't it?
So feeling little separation from that situation, that it is outside, is not inside, then it is my decision whether I allow it or not allow it. If that is firm, then things would be different. And for doing this,
Thank you very much for sharing it. And you know something, I don't want to tell people what they should do. I normally say, be in the question and see what possibility shows up. The same thing I'm saying it slightly differently, that you have a choice how you want to be in a certain situation, isn't it? You can choose to be upset by your fear.
yes,
You can choose to be powerless.
yes.
Or you can choose to be powerful by saying, all right, fear, you're coming, welcome, you be there, but I'm going to do what I have to do. You know, very interesting. Yesterday, I had to go to Noida from Gurgaon. And I was getting out of the house after almost 20 days. Okay. And there's so much of this, people frightening me. My son's saying, no, Papa, be very careful, this, that, you know. And in the morning, I was actually feeling fear, you know. I said, my God, I hope nothing happens. After a long time, something great is happening and all that. And I did my same exercise, you know, I allowed myself to feel the fear. And I had the same reactions, which always happens whenever I feel fear in my life. I said, all right, so this is what is happening. I said, now, how does it get better than that? And I got ready and I went and I got the job done and I came back. Okay, because I said, all right, fear, if you want to be here, you are happy. Thank you very much for being here, but what I have to do, I have to do. So you can either, like Kuldeep ji said, you can choose to be weak or you can choose to be powerful. Choice is yours. Thank you so much, Kuldeep ji, for sharing. I'm so grateful for your kind words. Okay, who's next? Whatever little distinctions that I've given you this morning, please remember who's driving you. Are you going to drive you or are you going to allow outside things to drive you? That's the first thing. And what are you choosing to be in the face of any problem that people are putting in front of you? I hope you remember what I told you. So anybody, you have any insight or any action which you are now going to take in your life? You feel welcome to share that with us. Thank you very much.
So when I'm fearful, I'm so fearful that I say I have no other choice but be what it is. Act otherwise.
Yeah, so you can choose, na?
Oh, but it is, for me, being fearful, I'm so fearful that I cannot, otherwise I know it. I don't know how to handle myself.
Well, you know the trick now. I've taught you that so many times. So when I say 1, 2, 3, what are you people supposed to do? Let's do it now. 1, 2, 3, go. See, you can be fearful and you can be cheerful also at the same time. Oh, I'm fearful. I am fearful. I am frightened. I'm so frightened. I am terrified. I'm frightened. Believe me, you practice it, it works. All right. I mean, so अरे डर हमको तब हराएगा जब हम डर से डर जाएंगे ना. If you get afraid of the fear, but if you say, wow, fear, I want you to remember one song, all of you, whether you can understand it or not. It's a very funny song. It is like that crazy statement which I give you, no? What is the crazy statement? Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. Remember that?
Yes.
Now, every time you're feeling fear, now you should think of one song. Very nice, old Hindi song. वो हसीन दर्द दे दो जिसे मैं गले लगा लूं वो निगाह मुझ पे डालूं वो हसीन दर्द दे दो जब वो हसीन दर्द मांग रहे हैं तब आपको डर नहीं लगता then it looks like हसीन दर्द. It took me 5 years to figure out what the hell it means, I heard this song when I was in class 5. I said, why are people asking for Haseen Dard? What is the Dard which is Haseen? I have never experienced it. Now I realize another thing today. When Hasina is feeling Dard, it is a Haseen Dard because Hasina is experiencing it. It's a way of looking at things and laughing at it, You say, wow, I'm afraid. All my life I've been afraid. People are controlling me because I'm afraid. People are able to control me by frightening me. What a charade it is, They are using my fears to control me. That is what the government is also doing now, na? They're using your fear to control you. Only I can take you out of this fearful situation. Vote for me. Interesting, isn't it? How the outside world controls us through our feelings. And fear is only one of them, na? How many others are there? What will people say? People will not like me. They will withhold their love if I do like this. So they are controlling you with love also. You better do what I'm saying, no? Otherwise I will not love you. Finished. Then you will become like a gulam in front of them. Gulam, slave?
Yeah.
So we are very interesting. That's why I say we are wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human beings. Made by the Lord in his own image. But we say, no, he made a mistake when he made me. I'm a cheerful. I'm not cheerful. Thank you so much. Hasina ji, what a pleasure it is to see you every day.
Thank
you. You can mute yourself now. Anybody else? Anything that comes up? Any insight that you have? Any realization or any question that is there you might want to ask? Please go ahead. Feel free.
Sir, I would like to add something.
Yes.
When you were taking us through the slide and you read each question, what came out to me was I had a deeper, undeniable connect with the, what should I say, sixth sense or guidance, and the element of fear has just, or the element of doubt has just gone out. whatever little bit was there has also gone out.
Yes, yes. Thank
And
you so
you know,
much.
I am a die-hard believer in miracles.
Thank God, dear. I thought you don't believe in them. Now I am very much enlightened
Oh, I
that
have
Neeti believes in
always.
miracles.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I'm a die-hard believer in miracles.
Yeah. So, you know, there is one miracle that I'm praying for that will happen to you. When it happens, you better send me, you know.
I won't tell you. Kya baat karte?
No, tell you to you will. You will have to send me. Yeah. You'll have to send me like 50 kilos of sweets so I can distribute to 50 people.
As long as you eat it all.
Sir, in that 50 people, please count me in.
वो तो नीति आपको भी भेज देंगी. But believe me, I have been experiencing the power of miracles for quite some time in my life, and Neeti, I'm so happy for you.
Yeah, I have seen a lot of it happen to me on a medical scale, but so I know it happens. It happens.
Now you should sing a song, you know, Zindagi aa raha hu main, aa rahi hu main, or whatever it is. You know, here I come. Life of miracles, here I come. Congratulations. Thank you very much for sharing it. Anything else you want to share, Neeti?
Oh, I would just tell people to be, to believe in miracles. They happen. When you least expect them, they happen. Except that you have to have an unconditional belief in the positivity. Believe in your prayers, believe in the power of your prayers.
Yeah, and associate yourself with positive people.
Associate yourself with anybody as long as you can pull everybody to positivity.
Well, if you become that much positive, see, इसीलिए बोलते हैं ना संघ. That this is a sangha. We are a sangha of positive people. Anybody who comes into our space will become positive.
True.
And we are, if we are in a space of miracles, then miracles will show up in our life. You remember the first online program that I did, and you were one of the participants in that. What was the name of that program?
Get what you want. It was an introduction to
No. Even before that.
Yeah, there was one session, single session.
Magic. The name was Magic. So we've been working in a space of miracles for quite some time. I'm so grateful to you, Neeti, to remind everybody. You know what is the magic? When something happens which cannot be explained by our great logic.
Very true.
That's called magic, isn't it? So once upon a time, a mobile phone would be called magic. Once upon a time, my laptop would be called magic. Once upon a time, sitting in Gurgaon and talking to people on 3 continents would be called magic. So magic happens, you know. We just need to remember and surrender to that one. Thank you so much for the message. That's the message of the day. Thank you. Okay, anybody else? We have space for one more person to share. Otherwise, we'll say bye-bye for today. So those who want to share, you may please share. Rafiq, thank you very much for joining us today. So let's hear a few words from you, because you're here for the first time, I think, in the morning conversations.
He is, I think he's traveling, he's not able to talk. He sent a message.
All right, so never mind, he can talk some other time. And Gopal ji, आप तो अभी तक बोले नहीं. Your mic is unmuted. You can. अब आप बोल दीजिए. हम आपके चरणों के दर्शन करके आपकी बात सुन लेते हैं.
Sorry. क्या हो रहा है? आ रहा है. कैसे हो रहा है?
सुबह विस्की पी रहे हो आप?
नहीं. ये क्या हो रहा है ये? एक मिनट.
होने दो. हमें तो आपके अल्फाज सुनने. We want to listen to your words.
Sir. Hello.
हाँ जी बताइए.
Sir, yesterday I told you. I mean, it was a very awful day for me. First time, a very close relations, you know. He succumbed to COVID for the first time. And
how many times is he supposed to succumb to it?
Once only.
It is sad. Of course, it is sad, but
the closest one. But the closest one in the family, you know.
It's
Yeah,
a
yeah.
family member, huh?
Yeah, very close family member. That's why the whole family was, I mean, but I found myself inside, I was quite strong, and in fact, I kept on consoling everybody. And inside, I was not feeling that depressed and sad as I should have been because I was preparing myself for some days
तो
for
आपको
this.
फिल्मों ने
Ever
बताया
since
कि
movie.
you should also feel sad.
Yeah, no, I did not much, because I was
Yeah,
preparing myself.
you can sometimes celebrate somebody's passing also, no?
Yeah, because it's a ripe old age, ripe age. Everybody is done in life. I mean, he did all his best in life and he lived it life very well, He was a great historian. Even Times now, this Times of India, they published about him yesterday. That the great
Fantastic.
historian. Yeah.
Good. Let's celebrate the fact that he's gone to a better place,
Yeah, he got to a better place, I think. So I was quite cool about it, quite cool about it, not depressed at
किशोर
all.
कुमार का गाना था ना, आपको याद होगा, जहाँ गम
Yeah.
भी ना हो, जहाँ आंसू भी ना हो।
Yeah.
अब ऐसी जगह में वो पहुंच गए हैं जहाँ गम भी ना हो, आंसू भी ना हो।
Gambhira Hamasura प्यारी प्यारो।
हाँ, वहाँ पहुंच गए ना वो। So we
हाँ,
can
पहुंच गए
celebrate
वहाँ।
that.
अब हम लोग को भी वही जाना है। हम लोग को भी वही जाना है sooner or later।
हाँ, चले आएंगे।
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
भंगड़ा
जब टाइम
डालते
आएगा
डालते
चले
पहुंच
जाएंगे।
जाएंगे वहाँ।
और क्या, जब टाइम आएगा
भंगड़ा
चले
डालते
जाएंगे।
डालते जाएंगे वहाँ पे।
बिल्कुल।
All right. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Okay. So everybody,
Okay.
thank you very much for being with us, and we will see you again.